real world, we use the sticky notes a lot. We wanted to remind ourselves to buy milk and this type of things. We type it, put it on the freezer, so we don't miss it to buy. But can we use them in the virtual, I mean on your Windows? In this video we will learn how to add sticky notes on your Windows and learn how to work with it, all of the things about the sticky notes but on the Windows. So if you wanted to know about this feature, this good feature which is enabled from Windows 7 up to now, watch the video until the end. Okay, so let's jump to the screen and find out everything about the sticky notes. On the search bar, I type sticky and the sticky notes application is appear. So I press it on the open. It is enabled from Windows 7 up to now, and it is created on Windows 7 in these new versions of the Windows. The new features added to these sticky notes, but the way you can use it is same. Okay, right now you can see my sticky notes needs update because the new version is available. So I press on the try again. If you don't have this application and you look like, for example, me, you need to go to the Microsoft Store. When you go to this Microsoft Store, let me because my internet connection has error, let me turn it off and on. Right now it is okay. I press on the update for the sticky notes, so we need to wait. Okay, if you don't have this application, you need to go to the store, Microsoft Store. On the Microsoft Store, on here you need to type stick and press on the search. As you can see, different things will appear, and this is the Microsoft sticky notes, which is free. You can install it from here. When you press on the install, this application installed. If you don't have it, you need to do this. Okay, I'm waiting until this sticky notes update finish. Then right now I'm going to pause the video. Okay, the sticky notes application, it's update, 94% update is complete. We close, again close. Good. This is the first time I'm going to go to these sticky notes with this software, with this operating system Windows. Okay, these are our sticky notes. If you wanted to take a note, for example, we can press on here. As you can see, this option appear. You can type the things you want. Subscribe and put an strike for that. For example, it is like that. Okay, you can add bullets. For example, report. Let me disable the thing. I want to record and edit, upload, tags. For example, this is the way that I'm going to share this video. I can say I add them with the bullet, and when one of them is complete, I select it, press it. For example, record is done, edit done. It is safe for myself. This is a good way, And the other feature is you can upload a picture. Not upload, I mean you can add a picture on that. For example, I'm going to add this Windows 7 DVD on that. I don't know why, but I added. Okay, I press on the close. Then I again press on that to open it for myself. You need to double click, and you can change the size. For example, fully see this note, fully see this tab, fully see this. I can say image you upload is good. And again on the plus you can add another note, which is going to be in here, the second one. Okay, Allah is my anonymous. On here you can see you can open the note and delete the notes. You can change the color, for example, for yourself. You need to double click to open it. I put it on the green, then close. Okay, this is the way you can work with the sticky notes. On the settings, you can see the enable insights, confirm before deleting, it is on. Okay, let me start with the color. Use Windows mode. For example, if your Windows is dark temp, is using dark. When if it is light, is using light. And if you want, you can change it. But I didn't change it because the dark theme is good for our eyes. On the general part, confirm before deleting. It is on. For myself, it is on. Why I can say I didn't turn it off. I press on the delete this note. It will ask. Do you really want to delete this note? It is not important. You don't need to check it. Okay, I press on the delete. When I turn this off and press on the delete note, it didn't ask me. Sometimes it's bad for us. Because of that, I enable it and it's gone. On here, you can see sign in on your Microsoft account, Microsoft Cloud account. If you sign in on this account, I can say it is good because all of the notes that you type, it is saved on the cloud storage. And if you have another laptop, another PC, you can log in with your account and see your notes that you type in this PC on that one. This is the easiest way I'm going to tell it to you, and this is a cool feature. Don't miss it and sign in with here. Okay, for example, this is my Microsoft account. I press on the continue. If you don't have any Microsoft account, you need to create one, and on the near future I will upload a tutorial to how to create the Microsoft account. Because of that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press on the bell to get notified. Right now I'm logged in. Okay, when you enable insights option, you work with the software, you add notes, you do different things. And the Microsoft account, on the Microsoft account, it will show you a static. For example, the hours you work on this application, the hours you type the notes, these things. It will give you a static, and is good. So I press on the enable. These all of the things. For example, look at this note. Right now I signed it, and I wanted to show you this. When I type something, for example, as you can see, is an reload option or reload image, something like this. Right now you see this. When you see this, it means that this text you type, it is sync. For example, again, okay, right now it is sync, and you can go to other laptop and see this on there. It uploads on your cloud storage. If you are not sure and you wanted to prevent measures you go to the setting part, press sync now. When you press on that, all of the things you type and again they re-upload and it is fully synced. When you press on this, okay, all of the things sync and you don't need to worry to lose the data, and it is right now on the cloud storage, and this is a good thing for you. So these all of the things about how many things I told. Here's all of the things I told you about these Microsoft sticky notes. I hope you use it, and this is a useful tool. I really use it and it helps me. Okay, if you like this video, press the like button and type something on the comment section. For example, if you have any question about the software's computer, you can type it in the comment section. I will create a video just for you. And if you wanted to motivate me, I can say type or put the like emoji on the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.